This testimonial is brought to you by #Score, Marketing Division, Sufi Guidance Channel, YouTube.
Hi, Ari.
How are you doing? Good.
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm fantastic. Bolo Chanda.
I just want to say thank you. Yeah, I wasn't feeling well a few weeks back, and I called Shahzad by, and you was there, and I had fever, temperature.
You called Shahzad bhai and I was there. This is ये तो बेइज्जती है मेरी. उनको कॉल किया और मैं अच्छा बैकग्राउंड में ठीक है. मैंने कहा ये तो बेइज्जती हो गई है कि उनको कॉल किया तो मैं वहाँ मौजूद था. यार रात हो गई. अब इतने भी हालात बुरे नहीं है. ठीक है ना. अच्छा बोलो बोलो जब जोके. ठीक है ना.
And then you replied, I think you was on loudspeaker, and you replied saying Gohar Raza jayega. So I was heating up, and you said call back in 15 minutes. So I laid down and I went to sleep for like 5 minutes. When I woke up, it was like 12:40. I rang you, and within 12:50, everything, I was fine. Like the temperature had gone.
Go on.
Within about 10 minutes. And I just thought, how did this happen? No damn, no nothing. You just said that, call back in 15 minutes and it'll be gone. So I called you back, and all you said was, itni der ka kaam hai.
इतनी देर का ही काम है. ट्रस्ट में इतनी ही देर का काम है अगर आदमी सुन ले.
So just wanted to say thank you for that.
Thank you कोई नहीं है. No thanks.
And I was fine, and the next day I was back to normal. And I just want to say another thank you. I've been getting loads of gifts recently, all red coloured gifts, red perfume,
Mashallah, that's good.
red makeup bag, and lipstick and mascara, all red stuff.
लिपस्टिक मुझे भेज देना. ठीक है.
Okay, I'll do that.
मैचिंग टोपी के साथ ना ये जो रेड है इसके साथ जाएगा. ठीक है ना.
And one last testimony. It's really hard to sell now, because the prices are going up.
Yeah, everything.
And at work I was struggling because they've lessened our commission to 0.5. So they bought another policy that if we sell certain brands, we get 10% commission. So everyone was doing it apart from me. So I posted on Dwan to a joke. I forgot what I posted actually, but I posted in this, and last week I sold the 2 best sellers just with one customer. She bought them both. And everyone was so shocked, and I got £160.
That's good.
And then yesterday I sold another one, and I got £52. And everyone's saying that they don't come to them and they only come to you. But I think this is because of dua and tawajjuh.
दुआ और तवज्जो पढ़ने की वजह से भी है. ठीक है ना.
So thank you.
Thank you कि कोई बात नहीं है.